The pink salt trick is a trending wellness ritual believed to support hydration, digestion, and even weight management. The pink salt trick is a trending wellness ritual that involves drinking a simple mixture of Himalayan pink salt and water, often first thing in the morning. It's sometimes called soul water, pronounced soleil, and is believed to support hydration, digestion, and even weight management, though scientific backing is limited. Basic pink salt trick recipe. Here's the most common version. 1 cup warm filtered water. 1/8 to 1/4 teaspoon Himalayan pink salt. Optional. Juice of 1/2 lemon. Optional. 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar. Instructions. Stir the salt into the warm water until fully dissolved. Add lemon juice or vinegar if desired. Drink it on an empty stomach in the morning. Why people use it. Fans of the pink salt trick claim it replenishes electrolytes, aids digestion and reduces bloating, curbs sugar cravings, promotes hydration and energy. That said, it's not a magic fix. It works best as part of a healthy routine, and people with high blood pressure or kidney issues should be cautious due to the sodium content. Please consider subscribing to this channel.